Welcome back. We've got Kelsey Keeney joining us this morning from the SEK Humane Society, and with her, Ace.
Yeah, so this is Ace. He's a 1-year-old blue heeler mix. We're not entirely sure what he's mixed with, but the vet said that he is definitely a year old already, so he is about as big as he's going to get.
I would say blue heelers tend to get a little bit taller.
Yeah.
So interesting mix. All right. And definitely a good lap dog, that for sure.
Oh, yeah. At work, he has decided to pick me as his person, so he just kind of like stands by my side and just like if I'm standing there doing dishes at work, he'll just stand there behind me and just guard me.
That's fun. What type of family or home do you think he would be a best fit for?
So he is kind of the complete package, actually. He does well with other dogs, he does well with cats, and he does well with children.
That's good. All right. Well, hopefully we can find him a home. And he looks so cute in that St. Patrick's green outfit there. Speaking of St. Patrick's Day, you guys have a promotion going on.
Yeah, so this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be open Friday and Saturday noon to 4 and Sunday 1 to 4. We are having, for the first time ever, it's called Lucky Pet, Lucky You. And what it'll be is you come in and you choose which pet you would like to adopt, and then we'll have you draw from a really big shamrock hat. And inside there's going to be discounts ranging from like 50% off all the way to no adoption fee.
Oh, wow. Yeah. And a lot of your animals that you have are sponsored already as well.
Yeah, a lot of the dogs are.
Okay.
Yeah, so that discount is actually going to be for all dogs and cats at the shelter.
That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, and you guys are doing something else as a fundraiser coming up, and I know you have some spots left for Egg My Yard.
Yeah, so that is a big one every year. This year will be our 4th annual. It's going to be on Easter Sunday, April 9th. And what it is we will help out the Easter Bunny or the parents, and we'll come and we'll actually put candy-filled Easter eggs in your yard for you and hide them for the kids.
Okay, so there's a couple of options. You can do 25 eggs for $25 or 50 eggs for $40. You do have to order by a certain date though, correct?
Yes. So we are already halfway sold out. So if you would like to sign up for this event, I would recommend you do it as soon as you can. The deadline is typically April 3rd, but we might be sold out before then.
So you need to send Jasmine an email to get signed up. How do you pay for it? How does that work?
Yes, so it'll just be linked through our PayPal account.
Okay. All right. Well, easy enough. And we'll have that information on our website later this morning as well on how to sign up for that. Cool. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. And you've already told us the hours for this weekend. If you're interested in Ace, be sure to give them a call at the SEK Humane Society. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back.